What are some other things we can do with a result set? Well, for one, we can sort its contents. We can do this by using the SQL clause called order by. The most common way of sorting a result set is to use the order by clause. Be aware that if a select query has a where clause, the order by clause must be placed after the where clause. The order by clause specifies a list of column names to sort by, in order of precedence. Each column name or sort expression is separated by a comma. By default, the column values are sorted in ascending order. But we can reverse that with the DESC keyword, which is short for descending. For example, we can sort books by year using order by year. Since this is ascending by default, the result set starts with the lowest year and ends with the highest. And we can sort by year in descending order by adding the DESC keyword after the column name. So you can see that the sort order is reversed in the result set. When we use order by to sort a text column, such as the title column, the rows are sorted alphabetically. Let's think about this situation. We have 3 books in our table with the genre of novel. That means if we sort by the genre column, these 3 books are tied for the same spot in the sort order. We can add another sort condition to act as a tiebreaker. For example, we can add another column name after genre, author. Let's add the DESC keyword after this one. Now, what our select query is going to do is it will first sort by the genre column in ascending order. Then, if there are any books that are tied for the same spot, we will sort just those by author in descending order, so the subsequent column names act as tiebreakers.